Have you been thinking about selling your home? Let me introduce you to the 7-day listing launch. My name is Stephanie Wohlfiel and I'm with the Whissel Realty team. On day 1, we're going to bring out our media team, professional photographer, professional drone expert, and we're going to make sure that we photograph your home in the best light possible. As well as, if you have a great view, we will get that on drone. On day 2, we're going to create a floor plan as well as a 3D video walkthrough tour. We found out during COVID that most buyers just want to sit on their couch and peruse your home. So we're going to allow them to do that by using the 3D video. They can walk in, see those ceilings, see the cabinets, see the flooring, all from their home. On day 3, we're going to send out direct mailers to your neighbors. We have them in 2 categories. One are renters, and if you haven't seen the price of rents in San Diego, they've gone sky high. So that's one pool of buyers that we'll have. And the other one are your neighbors that love the neighborhood and they want to get their friends to come into the neighborhood. So we want to make sure they have that information. So on day 4, we have the Coming Soon campaign. And that's where we're going to launch it to our inner office. There's over 80 agents just inside of our office, plus our affiliate EXP family. And that's 81,000 agents. So that's a lot of eyes on your property before it even hits the MLS. So on day 5, signage. Now it's not just any sign. This is going to be the brightest, orangest sign you have ever seen. Something like what Caltrans puts out to make sure it grabs the attention and brings the person in. As well as it's reflective, so it'll reflect at night. And it will also have a QR code. This is going to enable us to grab their information and be able to follow up with them later on. Day 6. This is MLS day. This is the day it goes live. It gets syndicated to Trulia, Zillow, all of the big websites. This is the day that you're going to shine. It usually happens either on a Wednesday or Thursday. And the reason why we do this is the busiest days on Zillow and Trulia and Redfin are usually Thursdays and Fridays between the hours of 9 and 5. So we see you, we know what you're doing at work. Day 7 is social media day, and this is target marketing. We don't just do a blanket effect where we just kind of throw it out there and hope that somebody, sees the Facebook ad. We target market, so we know what buyer we're looking for, and we will target the advertisement to hit exactly that market. So wrapping this up with the 7-day listing launch, this is the most comprehensive launch in all time. Let the Whissel Realty team do what we do best and work for you. Who represents you matters.